Renovation projects are complex enough without the added burden of unreliable measurements. How often have you felt the pressure of ensuring every dimension is absolutely perfect, knowing that even a small error can lead to costly delays in rework? The traditional way of measuring is time-consuming, prone to human error, and frankly, pulls you away from the creative and strategic aspects of your work. What if you could eliminate that uncertainty and reclaim valuable time? Introducing the power of Reality IMT. Imagine a process that removes the guesswork and delivers absolute dimensional certainty right from the start. In mere minutes, Reality IMT's advanced laser scanning technology captures every detail of your project site with unparalleled accuracy, down to a tenth of an inch. Say goodbye to manual calculations and the constant need for verification. Reality IMT transforms raw data into intelligent, precise Revit models that put every critical dimension at your fingertips. Need to confirm window specifications? Instantly accessible. Analyzing complex spatial relationships? Effortlessly done. Think of the impact on your projects. Fewer costly change orders due to inaccurate as-builts. Reduced project timelines thanks to precise pre-planning and fewer site revisits. More efficient collaboration with contractors using a single source of truth. Reality IMT empowers you to move forward with absolute confidence, knowing your designs are based on a foundation of unwavering accuracy. Ready to transform your renovation projects from a source of stress to a seamless, efficient process? Visit realityimt.com to discover how our 3D data collection and BIM modeling services can unlock greater accuracy, save you valuable time and money, and ultimately help you deliver exceptional results with confidence.